So we've covered the first conditional, the second conditional, the third conditional, and if you haven't seen my videos on those, definitely check them out. Here in this video, we're going to look at mixed conditionals. What are those? And we're also going to take just a little review of first, second, third conditional. So a mixed conditional is something like this. If I had eaten dinner last night, I wouldn't be hungry now. I'm mixing the past and the present. The unreal past and the unreal present. Or if he were a good student, he would have passed the test. I'm mixing unreal present and unreal past. So before we look more at exactly how to form the mixed conditionals, I'm going to run through super quickly first, second, third conditional, the structures and how to use them really quickly. If you only want to know about mixed conditional, just skip forward just a couple minutes and you'll get right into mixed conditionals. So the first conditional is for real situations that may happen in the future. Like if I have time later tonight, I will read a book. I'm using if and present simple. And then in my main clause, I'm using the future, will read. Second conditional is for something unreal in the present time. Like if I had time today, I would go shopping. So I'm using past in my if clause, but it's not about the past. This is unreal present. And in my main clause, I'm using would and the base verb. Third conditional is for unreal situations in the past, something that didn't happen in the past. And I will use something like this. If I had had more free time yesterday, I would have played soccer with my friends. So if and past perfect, and then in my main clause, I'm using would have and the past participle. So when we're talking about mixed conditionals, these are unreal conditionals where we're mixing present and past. So maybe a past that didn't happen and its present result that isn't happening either. Or a present and we're thinking about the past. Like, I didn't eat dinner tonight. Okay, this is real. I didn't eat dinner tonight. I'm hungry now. Now, if I want to, so in this sentence, I'm mixing past and another sentence with the present. So I want to imagine this situation differently. So if I had eaten dinner last night, so unreal past, well, then the present would be different too. I would not be hungry now. If I had eaten dinner, so this part is going to be like third conditional because it's unreal past. And then the second part, I would not be hungry now. This is like second conditional, unreal present. So this is a mixed conditional because I'm mixing a little unreal past with a little unreal present. That's why it's important to know those other structures so you can combine them. So let's look at another one. Here's a real situation. I spent all my money last night and I don't have any money now. So let's imagine the past differently. If I hadn't spent all of my money last night, this is the unreal past, I would have some money now. Unreal present, a different present than is reality. So again, I'm going to mix a third conditional for the if clause because it's about unreal past, and I'm going to mix second conditional for the mean clause because it's unreal present. Let's look at an example the other way. So he is not a good student. Okay, this is like present simple all the time. He's not a good student and he didn't study last night. Let's imagine this differently. If he were a good student, unreal present, he would have studied last night. So here I'm starting with second conditional in the main clause. I'm describing unreal present, which I do by using if and the past. And then I'm going to have my main clause be something like from third conditional because it's about unreal past. And so I use would have in the past participle. Would have studied. So sometimes we can express the third conditional, the unreal situation which didn't happen in the past, with a modal. So instead of would have gone, if I'm not sure, I can say he could have gone or he might have gone. So I could use the modals could or might. I'm still always going to use have, and then I'm going to use the past participle or the third form of the verb here. So be sure to watch one of these other videos if you haven't already about first, second, or third conditional. And if you have any questions, definitely leave me a note in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.